This afternoon's business meeting demonstrated the forward momentum our association is traveling on, largely due to the dedication of our volunteer leaders. It's because of their hard work that we are able to match their vision for HFTP's future to the current reality and the reality that's ahead. This evening is about honoring our association's leaders and the endeavors they support on behalf of HFTP. Thanks to their expertise and hard work, our association continues to thrive. HFTP would not be where it is today without the continued strong leadership through its history. To honor the great tradition of HFTP leadership, I'd like to turn the spotlight to a special group of individuals I greatly respect, for the most part, our HFTP past presidents, a number of whom are with us tonight. What I continue to be impressed with is how every one of these individuals does not disappear once they've completed their terms on the executive committee. Instead, they have continued to be active with HFTP, both at the chapter and global levels. As their professional careers have grown, they've contributed their experience as advisors, speakers, leaders, and occasionally MCs. Let me take a moment to recognize them. Will you please stand as I call your name? Agnes DeFranco, EDD, CHAE, 2006-2007. Lisa Martin, CHAE, 2011-2012. Anna McFarland, CPA, CFE, CHAE, CHTP, recent Paragon Award winner, 2007-2008. Ralph Miller, CA, CBV, CHA, CHAE, 2005-2006. Terry Price, CHAE, CHTP, 2009-2010. Raman Rama, RP, our man, CHA, Emeritus, CHTP, CHAE, 2012-2013. Arlene Ramirez, MBA, CHAE, CHE, CHIA, 2015-2016. Thomas Smith, CHAE, 2010-2011. Sal Spano, CHAE, 1980-1981. Jerry Trieber, CPA, CHAE, CFE, CFF, CGMA, and the winner of the most initials, 2013-2014. And last, but certainly not least, Mr. Lyle Worthington, CHTP, 2016-2017. Thanks to all of you and your continued commitment to HFTP. I'm not on here. It didn't have me announce myself. I'm already standing. Hi. What year was I? 2014-15, I think, right? So let's give a round of applause to all of our global past presidents. One notable milestone, though, I would like to recognize is past President Sal Spano, who is celebrating his 50th year as an HFTP member. That's truly remarkable. Sal's had a great influence on our association, helping to start a little technology show all the way back in 1972, which we now call High Tech. Sal, we really appreciate your foresight, which has become a valuable piece of our association. Can you please join me on stage for a token of that appreciation?
Thank you very much. Tonight, we've heard a lot of things about family. This is a family. I can tell you on my journey, I've spent 50 years with this family, and there's none better. Look around you. These people will change your life. They will enhance what you do every day. This award really shouldn't go to me. They should go to my bride of 51 years. Thank you, Lee.
Thank you, Sal, and thank you to all who are standing up and, well, who were standing up in front of me. Please really join me in celebrating these exceptional people for all that they've done for us. Now I'd like to proceed with the installation of our 2018-2019 Board of Directors and Executive Committee. In our association, one of the most important ceremonies is the installation of elected leaders. The men and women that we install tonight have made major commitments to help HFTP and its members grow and prosper through the coming year. They are responsible for the future of the association. I join with all of you in wishing these directors the very best in the year ahead. Would the following directors please come forward? Director Jill Burnett, CHAE, CPA, Controller at Medalist Golf Club. Director Mark Fancourt, co-founder of Testbed.Vegas Travel Hotel. Director Martha Mazzatelli, CHAE, CHTP, Chief Financial Officer, Bay Colony Shared Service. Director Nick Price, CIO for Citizen M Hotels. Director Lori Rozeski, CHAE, MBA, CFO for Wildcat Run Golf and Country Club. Director Justin Tyon, MBA, PhD, Professor and Department Head at Highline College. And last, but certainly not the smallest member, Director Derek Wood, Managing Director at Derek Wood Associates Limited. As a director on the HFTP board, you are charged with representing the best interests of the membership and with charting the course for the association to reach its full potential and future goals. This role requires you to set a high standards of professional performance for yourself as well as for the association. By your presence here this evening, you acknowledge your willingness to accept this responsibility. Do you pledge to commit your best knowledge and energy to the growth and support of HFTP? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
I don't know who's married to who, but. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating and expressing support of your 2018-19 directors. And photo op. I think we're good. Next, we'll install the Executive Committee. Will the following officers please come forward? Tim Noss, CHAE, CFO for Macau Studio City. Mark Pate, Sr., CHAE, CHTP, MBA, Assistant Controller and IT Director for High Point Hotel Corporation. Stephanie Anderson, CHAE, CPA, CGMA, CFO for Riverbend Golf and Country Club. Don't fall, Scott.
I know.
I'd laugh a little too hard.
I know.
Serving as an officer of HFTP can be challenging and an exciting role. You have already experienced the time commitment required to execute the many responsibilities you assume as a member of the HFTP Board of Directors. While the association has grown and prospered, there remain many challenges ahead if HFTP is to sustain a high level of performance and achievement. Do you pledge yourself to a renewed commitment to promote the association's progress that benefits the membership and the profession? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating your 2018-2019 officers.